Section 1. The big decision. Launching your online empire. You're ready to conquer the world of e-commerce, but there's one big decision looming. Choosing the right platform to build your online empire. Two heavyweights dominate the ring: Shopify and Ghost. Shopify, a household name in e-commerce, boasts a massive user base and powers millions of online stores. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive features make it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Ghost, on the other hand, offers a clean, elegant environment for sharing your content and building a loyal audience. Shopify's drag-and-drop interface and extensive app store make it easy to set up shop, manage inventory, and process orders. Ghost's minimalist design and focus on content creation provide the perfect canvas for your words and images. Its membership and subscription features allow you to build a community around your work and generate recurring revenue. Section 2. User experience, smooth sailing, or rocky seas. Let's talk user experience. Shopify's intuitive interface is like a gentle breeze guiding you through the process of building your online store. Its drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to customize your website's layout, add products, and manage your inventory. Even if you're not a tech whiz, you'll find Shopify surprisingly easy to navigate. Ghost, on the other hand, takes a more minimalist approach to user experience. Its clean, uncluttered interface puts the focus squarely on your content. Shopify's user-friendly dashboard provides a centralized hub for managing your entire business. Ghost's minimalist editor allows you to focus solely on your words without the clutter of unnecessary buttons and menus. Section 3. Cost versus scalability. Finding your perfect fit. Shopify offers a range of pricing plans to suit businesses of all sizes. Its basic plan provides all the essentials for getting started, while its more advanced plans offer additional features and support as your business grows. Ghost also offers various pricing tiers, with a focus on content-focused businesses and creators. Shopify's robust infrastructure and extensive app store allow your business to grow seamlessly. As your sales increase and your customer base expands, Shopify can handle the load, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience for both you and your customers. Ghost, while a powerful platform in its own right, may require more technical expertise to scale effectively. Its focus on content creation and membership management makes it an excellent choice for businesses with a strong community focus. Shopify's robust infrastructure handles the increased traffic and order volume with ease, ensuring your customers enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Ghost's membership and subscription features allow you to monetize your work and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Section 4. Setting up shop from zero to hero. Setting up shop on Shopify is a breeze. Its intuitive interface and helpful guides make it easy to choose a theme, customize your store's design, and add your products. Within hours, you can have a fully functional online store ready to accept orders. Ghost, while relatively straightforward to set up, may require a bit more technical know-how. Its focus on content management means you'll need to familiarize yourself with its editor and customization options. However, once you're up and running, you'll appreciate Ghost's clean, elegant design and seamless publishing experience. Section 5. Shopify versus Ghost, and the winner is. So, which platform reigns supreme in this epic e-commerce showdown? The answer, as with most things in life, is it depends. Shopify, with its user-friendly interface, extensive features, and robust scalability, is an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes, especially those focused on selling physical or digital products. Ghost, on the other hand, is a powerful platform for creators, publishers, and businesses with a strong community focus. Its minimalist design, elegant writing experience, and membership features make it ideal for building a loyal audience and monetizing your content. If you're a budding entrepreneur looking to launch your online store with ease and scale your business quickly, Shopify is your go-to platform. But if you're a creator, a writer, or a passionate blogger with a unique voice, Ghost offers a clean, elegant platform to share your work and build a thriving community. Ultimately, the best platform for you depends on your specific needs, goals, and technical expertise. Choose the one that aligns with your vision.